Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock turbo spool louder. We'll cover the main factors influencing turbo sound and explore common modifications. You'll also learn about potential risks, important considerations, and legal implications of making these changes. Our goal is to provide a full guide to achieving that desired turbo whistle safely and effectively. To make your turbo louder, consider a few key modifications. An aftermarket air intake system with an open filter can significantly increase induction noise. Upgrading to a performance exhaust system, especially one with a larger diameter, will also amplify the turbo sound. Additionally, installing a blow-off valve or diverter valve can create a distinct whoosh or hiss. Let's dive deeper into how these parts work. A less restrictive exhaust, like a 3-inch diameter system, allows exhaust gases to flow more freely, enhancing the turbo's whistle. Open air filters directly expose the turbo to the atmosphere, letting you hear more of its internal workings. Replacing your downpipe can also make a noticeable difference in the turbo's audible presence. Before making any changes, remember that modifications might void your vehicle's warranty. Always check local noise and emissions regulations, as some alterations could be illegal. While aiming for a louder sound, be aware that certain changes might impact engine performance or fuel efficiency. For best results and safety, professional installation is highly recommended for these types of modifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.